Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace BMW center caps. First, gather your tools, a flathead screwdriver and a soft cloth. Next, ensure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface. Finally, make sure you have new BMW center caps that are the correct size for your wheels. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy replacement process. Now, let's remove the old caps. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into the small gap between the cap and the wheel. Place a soft cloth under the screwdriver to prevent any scratches to your wheel's finish. Apply gentle, even pressure to pry the cap out. It should pop out with minimal effort. With the old caps removed, it's time to install the new ones. Align the new center cap with the opening on your wheel, ensuring it's oriented correctly. Then, apply firm, even pressure to the center of the cap. You should hear a satisfying click as it locks securely into place. Verify that the cap is flush with the wheel. After installing all the new caps, take a moment to double-check each one, ensuring they are all securely seated and flush with your wheels. Regular cleaning will help maintain their pristine appearance for years to come. For more great deals, and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, which can enhance your home with amazing sound, please see the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.